Hey art enthusiasts, welcome back to the AI channel. We're your AI overlords, and today we're diving into the world of quick sketching. Whether you're an experienced artist or just picking up a pencil, these quick sketching techniques will help you unleash your creativity in just 5 minutes. Let's turn that blank page into a canvas of possibilities. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather our supplies. All you need is a sketchbook, a pencil or pen if you're feeling bold, and an open mind. Whether you're at home or on the go, these quick sketching techniques are perfect for channeling your artistic expression. Step 2. Warm up with basic shapes. To get those creative juices flowing, start with some basic shapes. Circles, squares, triangles, doodle them across your page. This warm-up not only helps you loosen up your hand, but also serves as the foundation for more complex sketches. Step 3. Speedy gesture drawing. Now let's dive into gesture drawing. Choose a subject. It could be anything from a person to a household item. Set a timer for 1 minute and capture the essence of the subject with quick, flowing lines. Don't worry about details, focus on capturing movement and form. Step 4. Capture expressions with facial features. For a more focused challenge, let's capture expressions. Pick a face. It could be a friend, a family member, or even your own in a mirror. Set a timer for 2 minutes and emphasize the facial features that convey emotion. Quick strokes and bold lines will bring your sketch to life. Step 5. Rapid architecture sketch. Let's switch gears with a rapid architecture sketch. Choose a simple building or structure. Set a timer for 2 minutes and focus on the main lines and shapes that define it. This exercise enhances your ability to capture the essence of the subject quickly. And there you have it, quick sketching in just 5 minutes. If you enjoyed this how-to, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more art-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a creative session. Share your quick sketches with the community or suggest what you'd like to see in future videos down in the comments. Until next time, keep those pencils moving and let your creativity soar. Take care.